How to fix Microsoft Photos apps not working on Windows 11 or 10. Simply right click on the Start button. Now a menu appears on your screen. Select Settings. From the left panel, click on Apps. At the top, click on Install Apps. Now using the search bar at top of the screen, you need to search for Microsoft Photo or simply the Photos app. So you got the application. From Microsoft Photos, you need to click on three dots and now click on Advanced option. You will land on this interface where you have to scroll down and come under this Reset section where you need to click on Reset button and click on Reset option. So this will permanently delete the app's data on this device including your preferences and sign-in details. By clicking Reset, the app's data will be deleted. So if you are ready, you can click Reset and reset your Microsoft Photos application and see whether your issue resolved or not. If this method did not work, you can click on Uninstall button and uninstall this app. Then further from your Microsoft Store, you can reinstall the application and fix Microsoft Photos app not working on your Windows 11 or 10. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.